What's going on, guys? As you guys can see, I have a foreign object around my face. So for those of you that are not aware, I will be doing exactly what the title of this video says. I will be doing a POV drive and we'll be heading to the canyons, and hopefully today goes as planned, and hopefully there's no cops, and hopefully I don't get pulled over. And keep in mind, the tires on the Mustang are not made for canyons. It's not made for any of that type of stuff. It's meant to just go in a straight line, and that is it. But I decided to go ahead and do this. I had all the little tools, and maybe this might be excessive and all that stuff, but I do have the Ray-Ban POV ones, but that only shoots in vertical form, so I figured I wouldn't shoot with that, and I'd set you guys up with this one. And let me go ahead and give you guys a quick breakdown if you're new to the channel. So this is my 2003 Ford Mustang. Now, it's not the fastest car on the planet, but it is pretty peppy. It's got a Vortex supercharger. It's got nittos in the rear, some random ones in the front, Brembo brakes up front. Those are off of a Cadillac ATS. And well, she's just a fun car all around. So if you haven't seen the car, this is the car. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys into the POV because it's time to get this video started. And with that being said, we are going in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right, guys, how's that POV looking? I did my best to try to adjust it as best as I could, given the fact that this isn't normally my normal mount setup. I've never done this setup before, so if it's a little loud too, I apologize in advance. But the Mustang doesn't currently have AC, and I'm not trying to be in a sauna right now, especially right now. The weather feels pretty good, so not too bad, not too crazy, but still, I don't want to be in a sauna. So as of right now, we are heading to a local area where there is some canyons. Now, granted, this area is pretty notorious and cops are normally up there, but given that today November 1st, I believe. So all the videos you guys are watching are obviously backtracking. But given that it is November 1st, today is the Los Angeles Dodgers World Series parade. And I'm hoping that a lot of the cops are very distracted today with that they won't be up in the mountains or in the canyons where I'm going to be heading to right now. So let's all cross our fingers and hope today goes exactly how it's supposed to, which is smooth. Stop on this freeway. Hopefully there isn't a lot of traffic. There shouldn't be on this side, but very unnecessary. I guess my boy has places to be. And then once we get up there, I'll make sure to kind of talk a little less in between and kind of just let you guys hear the car as best as possible, if you guys can even hear it, and just kind of enjoy the experience with me of going up here. It's my first time ever going up the canyons in this car. I used to have a 95 and the 94 Mustang, and those were mainly built for that kind of purpose. Smaller tires, they were sticky still, but they were Toyos, and they were good, you know. And this time around, when I built this one, I decided to go a little bit beefier. And I love the look of it, but the rear, I need to go a little bit smaller on the sidewall, because if you're not aware, Nitto has like the best sidewall as far as for like the height. And if you want that beefiness and all that stuff, you can most definitely go with Nitto. Like right now I'm running 40s in the rear, so I know once I go down to 35, it'll drop it down, but it'll still have that beefy look. So it'll still look good, but whoa. Looks like that car's been through hell and back, huh? But yeah, once I swap tires in the rear, once those are done, then I should be okay. But also too, guys, Irwindale, if you're not aware, if you're not from California, Irwindale is a racetrack and it is closing down. So I'll make sure to take you guys to the track. Obviously this car's not the fastest. I'm hoping it doesn't break when I take it, but we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a track day as well. Tell me this isn't the sickest view, bro. I'm assuming these are pine trees, right? I don't know, but it's freaking beautiful, bro. The neighborhood around here is really nice, but this view always gets me every time when I drive down here. It's just so beautiful. It makes me feel like I'm truly far away from the city. But this is literally like 10 minutes away from where I live, and it looks nothing like this. Granted, this is up in the little bit of the hills, but just look at how beautiful it is. It just really makes me feel like I'm out in Big Bear or something, or the fancy side of Big Bear. All right, so this is the entrance of the canyon. And with that being said, I haven't been here in a couple of years, so let's have fun. This sucks. Now we have a truck in front of us, but so far the car is handling really, really well. I'm surprised she's doing this well. We're almost at the top, so I guess it's okay that he's still in front of me. Oh, this would have been a fun one right here. This is gonna be fun on the way back down though. Very dangerous spot to be, sir. Yo, I would be scared as shit to drive or to actually ride my bike down this. What if my brakes give out? Oh hell no. Like, it's a different story if your brakes give out on your car, like you're kind of protected, but on your bike, bro, oh hell no. Coolant temperatures are a little high, to be honest. 204. We've pretty much been in second gear the whole time, so we're gonna get up here really quick. We're gonna do a little U-turn. somewhere like right here, close to the fence line. Hopefully we don't get sideswiped or get yelled at for being here, but this looks like one of the safer spots. All right, so we officially made it to the top of the canyon, and it wasn't too crazy. It took me about 5 minutes to get up here. Probably would have been a lot quicker. As of right now, the car's doing really, really well. I'm letting her cool down. I swear, I think I'm gonna have one of the biggest marks on my face right here. Hopefully the content looks good. If it's a little crooked, I apologize in advance. But as of right now, she looks pretty freaking good, and she feels really good. She still needs a little bit of an alignment, but she feels pretty good. She looks good. Just look at that. It's like if she was meant to be up here. The only thing that I am kind of nervous on right now is that I did put it a little bit into the dirt, and obviously when you're going through the canyons, that's like one of the things you don't want to do, because dirt obviously makes the car kind of slippery. And yeah, again, I'm no expert, I'm no pro, but she made it up here. She looks good. So I'm letting her cool down. Once she cools down, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my other sunglasses that give me the vertical view for content, and it should be fun, it should be cool. Yeah, she's gonna get really, really dusty for sure. I already see it, but I'm gonna take some pictures, some videos. Wow, she looks really good, just look at that. All right, guys, as you guys can see, I do have the Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses on. They have the little camera, so they're gonna record vertically. This is gonna record horizontally. I look like a freaking dweeb right now, and my head hurts because my head is so tight with all this stuff. But with that being said, let's get right into this. All right, this is gonna be more fun because we're going down. Uphill is always great. Downhill is always more fun. It's always more sketchy. We're gonna try to not use... Oh, look at those rocks. See that? That's what'll make me spin out up here. Going down is always fun and sketchy. Going up, in my personal opinion, is probably the best. Just because, I don't know, it just feels more exciting. Going down just feels way more sketchier. It feels like there's more room for error compared to going up. All this right now is in second gear, so I think this is one of the tighter corners. Yeah. For those of you that are watching this, keep in mind this car is not built for the canyons. It's built to go in a straight line, but she's handling pretty well. We are going under that for sure. As you guys can see, we're under that. I'm not too familiar with these canyons, so don't expect me to be flying through these. It's my first time going through these canyons with this car setup. So far I'm having a blast. The one thing I don't want is a cop to fly by me, because then we're all gonna get a ticket. it. I'm not gonna lie to you, if I come up here more often and I get used to this canyon, I think it'll be a lot more fun. But as of right now, that was pretty sick. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that POV. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's my first one. If you guys enjoyed those, I'll go ahead and do some more. I do want to end up coming back to the canyons, this time with some more help. That way I can go ahead and get some exterior shots. I think the exterior shots would be freaking sick. That, or if I can borrow some people's GoPros and get more exterior shots. But with that being said, guys, keep in mind, I know I said I was going to upload every single day in the month of November, but I did some research and I also work a regular job, so it's kind of hard to do so. But what I am going to do is I'm going to be uploading every Monday through Thursday moving forward, all the way up to Thanksgiving Day. And then that way I can try to at least give you guys some good quality content, not just the most boring filler type of videos. But again, I do want to come back, and I think it'll be really, really fun on the next one. But with that being said, guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because it'll let you guys know every time we upload. But with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one.